Hey guys, so I've already been eating some of these sriracha Doritos. They're really, they're really spicy. That's what it looks like. Oh, look at this one. How hot that spicy is. My mouth is watering. Like, it's getting really hot. My eyes are watering. Ooh. But they're really good though, I like them. Ooh. My throat was on fire. I can't even reach the trash can. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I think it's worse the more I lick my lips.
Now are you getting close?
Sorry, I had to pause it. My coworker was talking to me. Almost done. My tongue is red. All the seasoning's in my throat. I'm never getting this again. This is way too spicy for me. That's all I can do. The more crumbs it is, the spicier it gets. That's a little bit. I missed the trash can. Oh, well, I'll pick it up when I'm done. Have you guys ever had that before? Doritos Sriracha? My mouth is watering. Whew. Eyebrows twitching. You can't see it, but it was twitching. I need me some water. Alright, well, I think that's it for this video. My hiccups are slowing down, so I hope you enjoyed me struggling trying to eat these spicy, excuse me, Sriracha Doritos. It's the first time, excuse me, first time me trying it, and never again will I do that. That's way too spicy. Like, I feel like I'm sweating right now, and it's just no. Nope, never. I am done with that. Eyebrows twitching. It's this one. You probably can't tell, but it sure is twitching. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed me struggling with this, because I'm sure it was a laugh. And see you guys next time. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.